How to fix age restriction on Tinder. If you are getting an age restriction error on Tinder, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix it and get back to swiping in no time. So let's get started. The number one step is to check your birth date on the Facebook or the Apple ID. Tinder pulls your age from the account you used to sign up, whether it's Facebook, Google or Apple. If your age is incorrect, go to your account settings and check your birth date. Step 2 is to contact Tinder support. If your birthday is correct but you're still getting an age restriction error, you will need to contact Tinder support. Head over to the Tinder Help Center. Tap onto Tinder right here. Then tap onto your profile icon at the bottom. Then tap onto Settings. Then scroll down and you can find the Contact Us Help and Support right here. Tap on it. And from here you can simply explain your issue. If you are under 18, Tinder won't allow you to create an account, so make sure your age is correct. Step 3 is to try creating a new account. If all else fails, you might need to create a new Tinder account with the correct birth date. Use a different login method, like switching from Facebook to Google or Apple ID. Deleting your account permanently erases your matches and chat history, so only do this as a last resort. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you fix Tinder's age restriction issue. If it worked for you, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.